no turathi na mbere na kivia viano muthenya wa munthi giki ni kivindi gia Kairenge kwiraga mbitagwa DN Makenge na togunira kwirite kivindi rikire kia mbere umuthi ndina mugeni ni nake nirenda tumurike kana kuroria maundu mare makoretwo magikika kaunti ino ya Embu, maundu megi siasa, maundu megi uthii wa na mbere, ndeto ciegie gucokaniria gisiasa na togunira kwirite vau kabere ni twathikiriria former senator Lenny Kivuti munini wake Emilio Kadhuru ndumwe na uru ari mubunge aumite kaunti ino na Manyaga makiaria makivesa na itumire ciagiririe mauke mucemanio ri uria wetanitwe ni governor Martin Wambora wigi kwaririria uthii wa na mbere ndumwe na gucaria kivonia kana gucaria urumwe. Nimenda tukorwo tukiona kana kuthikiriria uria naguo mucemanio uria kuo wekikagira kuria GTI muthenya wa Jumamosi wathiere aria maririe maugire atia ni resolution iri kukani maundu mariku maririrwe ni maundu mariku megucanirwe thiini wa mucemanio ucio then tukine na thina mbere kivindi kiu kingi ni ngukora nario ngi muri kando wengi nao mayumiritie nao gukorwo makiregana na maundu maria monthe mekikire ka magwetirwe mucemanio ri uyu.
In order to attend this first Embu County Leaders Summit, asanteni sana. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to remind you that the initiative to have this meeting came from most of you through print media, TV channels, telephone, and even summons. You ordered me to convene Embu Leaders Summit. As your servant, I complied mara moja. And that is why we are here today. In this meeting, we hope to discuss strategies that will lead to cohesion and integration of not only the Embu community, county communities, but also the unity of the county elites. Once this is achieved, we'll have a politically stable and economically prosperous county. Hence, we need to take this rare opportunity of having a county's political state officers, religious leaders, current and former public officials and professionals, as well as community leaders who also include youth and gender, to address the second agenda, economic transformation of Embu County. We have only two agendas. When you get your chance, you may earn the unity of the county and the economic transformation of Embu County economy. This must commence not next year, not next month, not next week, not tomorrow, but today, mara moja. In view of our two agendas of unity and economic transformation of our county, I will not dwell on the challenges we have encountered during the last 6 years. What matters now is only to note what we have learned from the past and then move on to implement what we shall resolve to do henceforth in our capacity as our people's servant. Way forward. Take note. Lesson learned. Take note of lessons learned during the past 6 years. These are tolerating each other, even when we disagree. You don't have to agree to tolerate each other. 2, accommodating each other as brothers and sisters. And number 3, cooperating with each other, since there is strength and success in cooperation. Wise people tolerate, accommodate, cooperate with each other. Let us agree to follow the path of the wise ones.
As long as you are or have been a leader, it is indefinite. I observe when Embu County history will be written, because it is already written, whatever the time, your name will be mentioned either positively or negatively, depending on how you touched people's lives. Both the past and current Embu County leaders have the opportunity to decide, shape, and determine the destiny of our county. And as we deliberate today, Your Excellency the Governor, perhaps we might find a scholarly solution to a question that has even been asked by scholars. Are leaders born or made? Leaders in the room, let us fully own this great county. God bless you.
Governor Uga, there are two, because I now want to contribute to what Honorable Governor has said, put before us. I want to be useful to my county. Auga agenda negire unity of the county government, of the county, Embu County, and the economic transformation of Embu County. Now, before I give you my 2 points for each, gia karande. Na niondo kuya ndo maregwa voni kwaria na kwe nienda kundikiria publicly. I'm not even worried by the cameras. Ne mulisivu ni munyingi muno. Ngerwa Dr. Cyrus Njiro, you are national leader. You've been permanent secretary. Tiga kujia kweva kanda ka kujia meeting shire tanchite tone to ambora. Nienda kundikiria akiale kuya ndo maregire goka meetings. Niondo itane to ete to ne Honorable Wambora. And I want to tell you something. If you are a leader, there are some things you must understand. One of which is where leadership positions are achieved through the ballot, such as gitikia governor, gitikia senator, gitikia MP, gitikia women rep. Muthenyoshio gugatangaswa uria wa gitikiu. Congratulate that person. Gutie mundu ungikarira gite kiu na bishop ni ngiaba. Gutie mundu ungikarira gite gya kuthurwa ngai atakwenda. Hapo kende gutie tena. So, I remember governor in the heat of the campaigns, election jitigareta 1 week. Nitwa na muthenyo cio wa ina mama Madam Teresa was there. Twatunga de motokedi yakwa igeka campaign na guku Manyata. Nawe mwina David Kariuki mugeka campaign Manyata. No ndo warutire governor guku gwetu Manyata so that you can you understand. Tugitungana. Twatungana. I'm saying this for the first time. Twatungana motokedi. Kithura ngitigarete ni nyangenda twina. I told my people, mukire kinya meeting ya Governor Wambora ithire nundu shulike wegitere riu kinya mweri nyanya ni undu twaraga kumutio muthi Dr. Cyrus Njiro asinda na mweri nyanya na akenda kandia. So we kept quiet and there was a lot of I remember my friend there, you are there and you are very, very worried. And I told you, relax. Alafu what happened is, nenone kirindeti ya kungawana. Wareri andu, ukiamera, leu nie diamu voya kura, nerenda ku continue. Leu thikiririai PS wenyu, na akiamu vende toshi yake. Na tugikethania. Tugikethania. No kirandu ukirando kura cia kuingirega kwegana kai mundu ore to Dr. Cyrus Njiro no mutongoria no ni ndirenda kwamba ku complete tamu cia kwa igire ugo niguo augire na ni na microphone and I said this with your microphone governor kwani amuririkania na vewa microphone ngimwira ri mutiathikiriria governor Wambora mweri nyanya mukauma mwe andu engi niguo nanie duweke governor. 60 years I've been in politics. I know nothing else but politics. Hii ingine ni takataka tu. Mumesikia? So let me speak as a politician governor whom I elected 2013. I voted for him because yeye ni mtoto wa Moi kama mimi. Ni siku ya kusema ukweli, ndivyo. Last election I did not vote for anybody because I was disappointed. I'm being frank. I'm a senior pastor in my little church. Umetweetia mkutano wa unity. Embu County tukiwa na wengine, senator na wengine, hata wewe na wengine. We were in the Bomas of Kenya for 9 months. Na Mwalimu Gitari, ulikuwa huko for 9 months. And for 9 months, we manipulated, tukafanya mambo mengi, create Embu vile ilivyo. In those days, Kirinyaga.
Before, my late father, with akina Bernard Mate, removed Embu from Central Province because tulitaka kujisikia ati tuko. For the sake of Kikuyus who are in Embu now, tujisikia tuko. Akasema sisi tunataka yetu. Tukailete wapi? Embu. Governor, president of Eastern Region alikuwa Muembu. Capital ilikuwa Embu. Sasa nini, what has gone wrong? Nobody talks about Embu anymore. Isipokuwa in negative forms. There's a time Embu ikisemekana, Embu imefika. You will not get anywhere if you continue fighting. My father tried to be vice president of Kenya. Dakika mwisho akashindwa na Kibaki. Senior senator. He went and shook hands. And they became very good friends. After Norman, my other brother who is a politician, became more Kibaki than my father. Sindivyo? Governor, I'm just trying to say things. Ni wakati nilishindwa na Mutava, I decided I will not make life difficult for Mutava. I never harassed Mutava. I left him at peace. And I hope Mutava is leaving Kwanakengani at peace to develop mambo ya kwake. That is what I was taught in school. So I want to say, it's important to have unity, Bwana Governor. We will support you, not because we love you. Not because you are very handsome. Not because you are very tall. Because you are sitting on that chair. Hiyo kiti ni yako. Wakati nilikuwa mtu mkubwa, waziri, hiyo kiti ilikuwa yangu, na ukicheza mimi na deal with you ruthlessly. Na unajua mimi ni mtoto wa KANU. I know how to do it ruthlessly. Wakati nilitoka hiyo kiti, hivi hata nikipiga simu inaikuwa ngumu kupata yule anachukua kiti yangu hapo. That is the nature of politics. If Kibaki and Raila could be one government of national unity after we had killed so many people, who are you? Am I making a point? Yes. Am I insulting anybody? I wish to appeal to my brother Kivuti. I wish to appeal to the people who are very important who refuse to come to this meeting. Please come to the next one. But in between, there will be many illegal meetings that night called by governor, called by senator, called by MCA, church leadership, secretly and quietly, in order to reduce our ego. The trouble with politicians, our ego is huge. So you must know how to learn with a huge ego, to bring it down, ili tukusaidie. We want us to be successful. I am now a chicken farmer. At over 10,000 chicks.
Yes.
I'll be selling eggs. I'm very happy to hear you will support me.
Yes, I will.
Don't say publicly then disappear. Yeah, tumekubaliana. Nataka sasa iwe namna hiyo. Thank you very much. God bless this county.
Now, today, me, I am happy that we are all here. And those who are fighting this thing, tafadhali, na tuongee na hawa. Because me, I talk to them. Like Kivuti, I talk to Lady. I've talked to him about 3 times now, and I share with you, Governor. And even the last time I told him, please give us space. Na njibura kangu tare mundu wakwa, nise ni mukuru kwewe. Wo ugoro no gisi ya kumurathi kana kure gotire. No le twara kurira thuka emu. That I told him. Tondo nuna kure tuwe bandu ba gukoro kuturali na mbere. Wira turarutana wikate. Kama gotire. Wira donge mure ne seneta muri wa morara utawirate. Buena mera dura que gotire. Which is true. But we want a situation where we can gather together here as leaders of them. And in fact, I'm so happy because all the presentations in the morning were so positive. And all this year, kuma mavoya rĩkĩria baratwarĩkĩria na rĩu na rĩu no atuge tondũ nĩgetha wana tũkathiĩ na mbere mũtigucaga ĩvoru ũkĩrĩta rĩu appointment ino ciothe iraengathĩtire mũthenya ũyũ ĩngĩ nĩ mwĩroragia rĩu kana mwĩre aba imwe ũkwate kũmũrara wa gũkũ you will be ignored forever no kenda kũthiria andũ menya korwo nĩ kathangũ na nyaga mararũa ũkanyita kathangũ kĩraoko mũkarĩa rangi nake akorwo ũkanyita nyaga mwena ũrĩa wĩngĩ mwe kana mwĩre wona twarega kwĩmenyerera gũkũ kwĩmenyera tũcokane ho twambĩrie kwaria na mũgambo ũyũ mũgambo ũmwe ta mvunda gũkũ nĩ tũthiwa tũrorete.
Today you are coming back to the same point. Kwe andũ anya kwa mbora na kwe andũ aterere Kivuti. Wana andũ makabilia kuga nuje Kivuti nitakuga nyaga and it is true. Kivuti nitakuga nyaga. Na nyaga nitakuga ngodi. Wewe mundu wetagwo nyaga ukamenya nikyo Kivuti. Wewe Kivuti ukamenya ni ngodi. Rĩu nginya andũ aya makabilia kuga aterere uyu aciarĩtwo nyaga Jeremia takabĩrĩria. No, let's not scandalize. Andũ arĩa mathiĩte tafadhali, let's respect them. Na tũmenye atĩrĩ, gũtirĩ mũndũ anya kwa mbora Embu na gũtirĩ mũndũ wao wale nĩ Kivuti. Tuothe we are democratic unit. Wakinya hĩndĩ ya gũthurana nĩrĩo tũmenyaga tũrathurao. Tũkathurangania kabĩtũ gũcio othe tũikaikate. Ikathira nĩ kũmũrenda mũririkanie maũndũ ma democracy nĩkĩ. So Nĩamũrĩra mheshimiwa na mwĩra atĩrĩ mheshimiwa no kũmenya mũndũ mwambĩra atĩrĩ mũcemanio waku ũgakorwa ũkĩtwe nĩ ng'ania akembĩra aca ũmũthĩ kĩrako nera mheshimiwa atĩrĩ no kũmenya na mũndũ thimũ nĩ ang'ania na ũndũ atĩrĩ agenda ya mũcemanio nĩ ĩrĩkũ ũrathiĩ kũndũ gũtarĩ na agenda. Now listen. Vĩndĩ mũkũthomaga mũkuaga mũkauga ũrĩa Isaya meranire. Isaya nĩwandĩkire agenda. Anga agenda ndĩakĩgwanjarĩ. Anga agenda ndĩarĩrĩirwe. Anga agenda ndĩarutire ũrũmwe. Nera mũndũ ũcio atĩrĩ thiĩ ũgaoka nayo. Waoka kuo mbere nĩwaoka na agenda yaku nĩna wamĩpropose nĩngagũsupport. Nĩ mũcerithia bande amwana. Number 2, bandu aba ni mwagweta ma MCA na mataro mwe mara 10 kana 11. Mimi I am not a man of assuming hii tu vitu mnasema ati bwana speaker anasema apologies from 22 people. 22 people is the whole county assembly. Eyo ni taikuo. Adware mayagogo even with their votes they cannot move that assembly. Adware mangi move that assembly ni aliko asio na nomende mama kwe munoma ugatire ni hao kweli mataikuo because that is the problem. Don't assume these things. And what you will do when a speaker are the problem. So you have got to look at it. There must have been a consultation before this meeting with some of the 22 and the makers of division. I would like you to look at it. Of course, I respect him a lot and he knows. I would take at the Nanadi Nocha Mudamata, no Makapoche, Mumurubi, no Makapoche, Murumbi, no Makapoche, this and that. Obviously, I have the great time and space at the issue. They have the Koran and they came up for the best. They cannot worry. We have to preach. Now, I'll come to preach with you. We are taking people on merit without discrimination or fear. Merit must be employed. Otherwise, when you are vision of the section, the clans, then we are going to have a problem. Next one is that we must accept, and that is where I am, we must accept democratic decision on our leaderships. Niye nerenda kutuma andu ondera mai goko guo arata a Ndindi Kivuti. Niye ndakunaga clear. I want to send you arata a Kivuti because I know some of you are here. Mugakuba mutie goko na ngoro emwe mugende goko upelelezi. Na upelelezi usio no na no gugweturura darasani some place. No man, you are joking with a community that God has ordained that anything that you are going to oppose for the time that God has ordained, then you are going to be fighting God. We shall announce war against him, and we'll come to fight him with prayers and physically. Tondo agakora ni mwamende ngai ane support mwambe kilioria ngai yakwe na agakorwa ni mbara evo against the will of God, then I will go out there fighting physically for God. Na nekyo kanengera kidogo to tefinya ta David. With only the sling, he killed the mama.
Ucio ni mucemanio uria wekikire kuria GTI muthenya wa Jumamosi utongoretwe ni Gavana Martin Wambora, na ni mwavota kuigua kana nwavota kuigua uria tongoria mavota kwaria muthenya ucio. Na mucemanio uyu ngikuririkanagia ringi wari wetanitwe netanya atiria gucaria urumwe na thayu gatagati ga tongoria, na makiria moguo gwiciria kana kurete meciria matongoria a county no ya Embu vamwe niguo kuona uria county ikuthie na mbere. Lakini kuna ri uguo umuthi mathari makirauko ni kwagia na gikaro andikia muvoro ni magia gikaro na ma MCA eganondu muna niguo na ukuvesa na gitumi kiao kia niki matana ukamucemanio ri uria wa Jumamosi, na ni kaundu karia ngwenda tuthikiririe wona twamba gukunda manje vanini tukirivaga mathiri tugicokereria no tukuthie na mbere na ndu kaume mutambo ri tondu nakio kivia viano no agikuthie na mbere.